Listen carefully. Stop right now and think. Are you living the life you always dreamed of? Or are you just running in circles, repeating the same routine every day? The truth is, most people don't live, they survive. They waste their energy maintaining a life they don't even like. They fill their minds with problems, debts, fears, and failures, and then they wonder why life keeps giving them the same. But here's the truth. Your reality is a reflection of your thoughts. If you learn to control them, you will learn to control your destiny. This is the power of visualization. Visualization is not magic, it's science and practice. As Jose Silva said, the mind can program itself for success, as Napoleon Hill wrote. Whatever the mind can conceive, it can achieve. And Viktor Frankl reminded us, even in the darkest times, we always have one freedom left, the freedom to choose the vision of our future. So start right now. Close your eyes and picture it. Not vague dreams, but clear details. Where do you live? How does your morning begin? Who surrounds you? What do you feel when you walk into your home, your company, your new life? Do you feel confidence? Do you feel gratitude? That is the seed of your reality. Now, 3 steps. Step 1. Create clear images. Don't just say, "I want money." Visualize yourself receiving your first income, paying your bills with ease, investing in what you love. Don't just say, "I want happiness." Picture yourself laughing with loved ones, feeling inner peace. Step 2. Repeat visualization daily, like brushing your teeth. You must clean your thoughts. Morning and evening. Feed your mind with images that move you forward. Make them stronger than doubts and excuses. Step 3. Connect visualization with action. As James Clear proved, small actions repeated daily build massive change. So every time you visualize, ask yourself, what small step will I take today to get closer to this vision? And do it, because visualization without action is just a dream. But visualization with action is a reality in progress. Yes, there will be days you want to quit, days when reality shouts louder than your dreams. But remember, laziness, fear, and doubt are thieves. They steal your life if you let them. Discipline is freedom. Every action you take is a hammer strike, breaking the chains that hold you back. Remember this, you are the blacksmith of your life. Your thoughts are the blueprint. Your habits are the tools. Your actions are the fire that shapes your future. And one day, you will look back and realize you are living inside the vision you once created in your mind, but only if you start today, not tomorrow. Not when you feel ready, not when the timing is perfect. Today, close your eyes. See your dream, get up and take the first step. Your life won't change by itself. You are the one who will change it. Visualize, act, create. Because your destiny is waiting for your decision.